Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2020 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.